The hedge trimmers in Husqvarna Pro Battery series are perfect for professionals like landscapers, contractors, and gardeners who want a silent and easy-to-use hedge trimmer with the same high performance as petrol hedge trimmers. Their powerful motors are maintenance-free and designed for long-lasting professional use. The backpack batteries allow you to work a full day on one single charge. These lightweight, well-balanced hedge trimmers feature excellent ergonomics, allowing you to work efficiently and comfortably for many hours. The rear handle is adjustable to facilitate cutting the sides and tops of hedges. Battery-powered equipment brings many advantages for professional users: minimal noise and vibrations, and no direct emissions. This makes work a lot more pleasant for you and allows you to work efficiently without disturbing the surroundings. Husqvarna Pro Battery Series, charged for professionals.